Do you feel helpless when trying to interact with your server builds? It's time for that to change. Retake control of your server with Server Command Console. At some point, you've probably had the need to perform actions on your server at runtime, whether it be to run a test or perhaps interact with the game itself, such as changing the scene. Before I continue, I want to mention that this relies on the Server Console, which means it will only work on a Windows platform. Sorry, Linux users. On my screen, I have my server open as well as a client build so that I may connect to the server. I'm going to do that now. Typically, you are not able to type in the server console window, but after this tutorial, that will change, and you can use your inputs to run commands. I've already made these changes, so I'm going to demo two commands I've made. The first is a kick all command, which will kick all connected clients. The other command is quit, which, as you've probably guessed, quits the server. You can code in any number of commands interacting with your game normally. A portion of this code was originally provided by Gary's blog at gary.tv. I had to fill in some blanks, but if you're interested in his post, you can find a link in the description of this video. This is a supporter-only tutorial and will work with any networking solution. There are 3 script files you'll need from Gary TV. They are server console, console input, and console window. I've included these all in the tutorials package. I originally got these from Gary's blog, but I did have to fix up a few issues. To save time, I won't be going over the changes I made, but I will show you how to use these, which is super easy. The first step is attaching the server console script to your network manager object. This should only be loaded once. Next, make a new script and name it command handler. Notice that this is a typical class. It does not inherit from mono behavior. It's very important that the name is command handler. Next, you'll add a public method named run, which takes a string argument. This is the entirety of the command handler where you program your commands. Commands come in as a string, and from there you just process your command depending on that string's value. You can of course parse the string however you like. As I demonstrated, I have a quit command and a kick all command which function just fine. Go nuts, add as many as you like.